Hello viewers, today I have an interesting topic to discuss on. I have been uploading Acer Nitro 5 BIOS updates, and the last update I remember I did was version 2.19, which is still listed on the Acer website. But recently, what I have noticed is if I check my BIOS version, it is completely different for this specific laptop, and it's not even available on official Acer website. So if you guys can check, this version says 2.21, and the model number is AN515-58. So I'll tell you why this has occurred, how to, downgrade the BIOS without having a brick device, and why did it occur. So first, let's check the Acer website. Right. So if we go to Acer support page, it's the usual steps we normally do for a BIOS update. So what you can do is enter your laptop's model number. It can be any model number, like any, not specific to Nitro 5, because this issue is occurred because of Windows update. So if we go to the specific model number, just scroll down until BIOS and firmware. And if you guys can check over here, have a look at the version. It's 2.19. And I clearly remember this was the last BIOS update video I have uploaded. Now, 2.19 should be the latest version. But guess what? The BIOS version is 2.21. This has occurred because Windows has updated the BIOS. I have some screenshots which I'll be uploading in this video. And since I normally do Windows build updates and everything as soon as they are available, as you can see, there is another update over here. What I did was I had enabled this option, receive updates for other Microsoft products. No wonder it gave me a software for BIOS, and I'll guide you through it. As you can see, this is 2.21. Now, when I was doing the Windows updates, I remember this was an update available inside software, and it was 5.43 2.21. This has updated the BIOS and the software version for this particular laptop. I would recommend you guys, whoever owns Nitro 5, irrespective of the model number, please do check which BIOS your laptop is currently running if you guys haven't updated in a while. Now, at the moment, this laptop is pretty stable and I don't think there is a need to downgrade it. It may happen down the line. This BIOS update will be officially available from the Acer website. But if you're curious to know how to downgrade this BIOS, then let's follow some quick steps. As we have been to this website, just click the latest BIOS update available. Now extract this zip into a folder. Okay. The normal step is to double click this application and it will start the BIOS update. It will scan your laptop's model number and eventually it will start the process. You don't need to do anything for that. But since we have to downgrade it without any issue or any error, just to ensure our device doesn't break, let's follow this step. I would recommend right click on this application, click extract to the specific folder, whatever the name it gives. Now, in this, you will see many files and few exe like application files. Check where you can find this file type that says configuration settings. In this configuration settings, right click and open it with Notepad or any text editor you guys have. And here, find for BIOS version check. First, it will show you supported section list and it will highlight this one, but we need to go to the next one. This particular section is a set of instruction that checks which BIOS version is your laptop actually running. It also ensures the BIOS which is being flashed is the updated version and not the downgrade version. So let's say for this particular laptop, If I run this file, it's gonna give me error because the BIOS version which we have downloaded is 2.19 and this laptop is already equipped with 2.21. So it won't proceed. It will give us an error and it will just close the setup. Now, in order to get this laptop running on the lower BIOS version, this flag needs to be reset. So as you can see, what this number indicates, 1, 2, 3, and 4 is already mentioned over here. We need to update it to 0. So it will skip the step that checks the BIOS version. So we will update it to 0. Ensure you leave no space in here. So I'll just remove this space, save the file, and we are ready to go. Now, people who are interested in knowing what all other numbers do, they can just have a quick look in this section. Now let's close this file, close this diagnostic tool, close every other application you guys are running, and ensure there is no Windows update happening in this. So now, people who are willing to downgrade, I would recommend double click on this application. It will give you the regular warnings like, is your laptop plugged into the charger? Is your laptop having decent battery use? If your laptop is having no other applications running. And once you're ready to go, just follow the on-screen instructions. Just click on OK and it will take you through the similar procedure which a BIOS update does. The only difference here is instead of going from upgrading the version, it will be downgrading it. Now, I won't recommend downgrading your BIOS version unless you're facing any issues. If you are not sure what you guys are doing, I would recommend please visit Acer Service Center or the official authorized service center nearby your house and get these things done. If you want to do trial and error, this procedure is definitely safe, but things may go wrong. After all, these are electronic products. This might even break your device. So what I would suggest is I did try this in my older laptop and it gave me no issues. The laptop was properly downgraded and it's still running fine. People who want to give a try, I would suggest go for it, but I won't take the responsibility as there have been few cases with some other devices where the user have promptly commented like we followed your steps and our device is bricked. So I'll give you a procedure to follow and I'll give you proper guidelines. If you do exactly the same, I'm pretty sure your device won't break. But if things go wrong, then these are electronic devices. If your laptop is under warranty, I would recommend do not tamper anything. Just straight away take it to the service center and they'll take care of it. If your laptop is pretty old, then you can do experiments on it. So that was it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you guys are facing similar issues, then please comment down which laptop is it and what company or what software version, BIOS version is it running on. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for such videos.